My name is Morgan Chesonis-Gonzalez. I am a mother of two. I have a son who is 13 and a daughter who is 11. I am a clinical art therapist. I was diagnosed with stage 2 breast cancer. It was actually 2 different types of breast cancer in the same breast. Of course, you feel like the world is going to end and the sky is going to fall. So I reached out to my primary care physician, and she was the one that was instrumental in recommending Dr. Mautner.
Morgan was diagnosed with what's called a triple negative invasive ductal cancer of the right breast.
And of course, then you just burst into tears because it was really upsetting. And then I have children, so you have all of these thoughts about how this is going to affect not only me, but also, my family.
That's the fear that most young mothers come in with. Like, I need to be here for my children. Please tell me that I am going to be alive to see them grow up, get married, graduate high school and college.
I put in my mind early that I wanted to see my grandchildren. And I was going to fight like hell to make sure that I did that.
Not every patient that has breast cancer requires chemotherapy or requires radiation therapy or requires plastic surgery for reconstruction, but she needed it all.
I remember going to that appointment with Dr. Mautner, and she was so kind and so empathetic. It was, I guess, as good of an experience as you could possibly have getting this news.
All of her doctor's appointments were within one building. All of her doctors were within the same computer system and could communicate easily. I was always able to see the notes of her medical oncologist and radiation oncologist. Her plastic surgeon was down the hall from me.
My treatment at Miami Cancer Institute was wonderful. I was super thankful to have my treatment there with everything under really one roof.
Morgan had a complete pathologic response to neoadjuvant chemotherapy, and what that means is that there was no cancer left in the breast tissue or in the lymph nodes when we did her surgery. So this is the best pathology report that you can possibly get, and it means that her prognosis should be excellent.
This is my wreath. I don't know if you can see it so well. It is all of my wristbands. I still have a very long life to live.